The excitement about the Galaxy S25 is heating up now that the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Flip 6 have reached the shops. We should anticipate Samsung's next flagship to launch in early 2025, with the Ultra variant set to be the most premium and expensive choice. This time of year is ideal for a spike in Galaxy S25 rumor, particularly with Google just unveiling the Pixel 9 series and Apple gearing up for the iPhone 16 release. It's hardly surprising that a credible source has leaked information regarding the Galaxy S25 Ultra design. What truly amazes me is that Samsung appears to have addressed my main issue with the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the frustrating note-style design, which features flat sides at the top and bottom of the phone, resulting in rectangular corners rather than the more comfortable rounded ones found on its counterparts in most other phones. The Galaxy S24 Ultra features a built-in pen positioned along one edge, mandating a flat bottom. Thus, the top must also be flat to preserve symmetry, resulting in those awkward rectangular corners that may dig into your hand. While some users may adapt, it's still a disadvantage. Fortunately, if Ice Universe's render is correct, Samsung is set to address this with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, which will have more rounded corners than its predecessor. While it retains a boxy aesthetic similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, the corners appear significantly improved. In terms of the foldable, Samsung chose a rectangular corner design for the Fold 6 to preserve visual symmetry and ensure that the cover screen appears good, otherwise, you'd wind up with a mismatch of rectangular corners on one side and curved ones on the other. According to the most recent report about the Galaxy S25 Ultra design, Samsung will keep the stylus function, which is why the corners are slightly curved. The leaker also provided a comparison render of the Galaxy S25 Ultra and the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Personally, I found the Galaxy S24 Ultra to be a little cumbersome to hold, but according to another update from the same source, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is set to undergo some modifications aimed at improving comfort. The new model looks to have a slimmer profile than its predecessor, with smaller bezels allowing for a bigger display and a more compact frame. While Ice Universe did not provide particular measurements for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, we must assess the trustworthiness of this early leak. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.